Hello, this video is for instructors who like to calculate their numerical grades in Excel, then upload the overall grades to Canvas and then use Canvas to calculate the letter grade. You need a few preparations, so go to your course, go to Settings, then scroll all the way down and check Hide Totals in Student Grade Summary, because you likely don't want that your students can see the grades that Canvas calculated. You might or might not want to hide the grade distribution. And before you update the course details, scroll up a little bit to the grading scheme, check Enable Course Grading Scheme, and then you can either use the default Canvas grading scheme or you can use your own. Give it a name and save it. Now you want to scroll down and update course details. The second adjustment you have to make is in grades. Go to the Settings tab, go to Advanced, and you want to make sure Allow Final Grade Override is checked, like here. Then apply the settings, and then you export the entire grade book to a CSV file. Now when you open the CSV file in Excel, you will see at the end two extra columns. One is called Override Score and the other one is called Override Status. Do all your calculations that you need to do in Excel, generate an overall percentage grade, and then copy this overall grade into the Override Score column. And I copy it down. Now all that I have to do is to save the file as a CSV and then upload it to Canvas. To import the file into Canvas, click on Import, choose the CSV file, and import the file. When the import is complete, you will see two columns at the end, Total and Override. Don't be concerned, the Total column will show the percentage grade that Canvas calculated. It is not the one that you calculated. Yours is still here. And the grade here, the override grade, is based on your overall score. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, happy analytics.